With the introduction of ChatGPT and now ChatGPT 4, AI projects have been booming with many tokens skyrocketing. In this video, I'm going to be looking at which ones are actually investment worthy and putting them into a tier list. Now, to be frank, I've been quite disappointed with the investability of many of these AI projects. Even though I'm impressed with what they're working on, I still think it lacks a little. I still think we're super early in the AI space, and I still think there is a lot more maturity to come. But let's get straight into the video and let's start ranking these projects by their investment worthiness. Now, one common theme you'll notice with a lot of these cryptos are some of them are data led. Now, we're going to give them a pass because a lot of these places like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko characterize AI and data together. Now, you can let that pass because data is of course needed to process the AI and train the models. The first project we're going to look at is the biggest by crypto market cap, and that is Singularity Net. Their token AGIX is sitting at a 500 million market cap with 900 million in fully diluted market cap. That's pretty large. Now, it's a decentralized AI marketplace. So you can go onto their website, you can use any of those features, select from their library of AI algorithms and plug it into any app you're building. So whether you want to do multilingual speech translation, real-time voice cloning or video captioning, it's all there. You can go through and look at the different products they're offering. This is one of the better crypto projects out there, and I would definitely categorize this a B in the tier list. Next up is Fetch.ai, also FET token. Now, this is a blockchain platform which is supposed to use AI to help you and I do everyday tasks. For example, booking airline tickets or finding a parking space. What it allows us to do is use our digital twin, or what they call an autonomous economic agent, AEA, to go ahead and interact with the digital twins of each of these parties, like the airline company or the parking company, and it will go ahead and negotiate on our behalf. Now, I think this is quite a novel use case, and if they can actually deliver on it, I think it could be quite clutch. But right now, we're not seeing too much adoption. Another thing that is going for it is the founders Humayun Sheikh and Toby Simpsons were both important developers at DeepMind, which was the AI company sold to Google for $500 million. So they should know what they're doing in terms of the AI space. Sitting at a market cap of 400 million, it's high. The fully diluted market cap looks pretty acceptable. We're going to give this a solid C until we can see more use cases and people actually using it. Next up, we're going to go for a very popular one, and that is artificial liquid intelligence, also known as Ali token or Alethea. Now, they've gone ahead and created Character GPT, which is one of their leading projects. What they've done is they've combined two important crypto narratives, NFTs and AI. They've gone ahead and created what they call smart avatars, which they call also INFT. So basically, you can go ahead and type in whatever you want, and it's going to spit out an AI avatar for you. Now, the question remains, is this just a gimmick, or will there actually be real fundamental use cases? That's what we got to be careful about in this AI space. I still think it's super early in this AI space, and I think a lot of these projects that we're going through show elements of gimmickness, right? We need to see that it's actually being used and that will actually derive value for these projects. We're looking at a market cap of 174 million. But the fully diluted is sat at $500 million. So this is not a joke in terms of valuation. And we need to see some real live use cases where people actually want to use it, not just speculating in the crypto. For that reason, I'm going to have to give Alethea and Ali token a C. Next up, something a little bit more impressive, but again, it's more of a data play than it is a pure AI play. We've got to accept that because the reality is AI will need data to train their models. And so naturally, you're going to get data plays and machine learning plays bundled in with pure AI plays as well. Now, what Ocean Protocol have is they have the Ocean market. You can go into there and buy data sets. Yes, remember, we need them to train the models. If you want to build an AI, which let's say tracks the Bitcoin price every time there's an interest rate hike, you're going to need historical data to train your model. Instead, you can go onto a marketplace like Ocean Market, buy the data set you want, and train your AI model. Now remember, it's a marketplace. So let's say you, on the other hand, have access to a load of data which you've gathered for some reason. You can sell that on this marketplace as well. The downside for this project is activity seems a little bit low. You do want to see this pick up. They're sitting at 172 million in market cap, 560 million. That's over $500 million in fully diluted market cap. You've got to be careful of some of the tokenomics in this AI space, as they leave a lot to be desired. I will give this project a solid B. It would be an A with better tokenomics and more usage. Next up, Big Data Protocol. Very similar to Ocean Protocol, and this one is getting a lot of hype on social media. The FOMO is real on this project. It's a lot younger than Ocean Protocol. It was launched in 2021. It has a tiny market cap of $6 million, but already the fully diluted market cap is more than 3 times that, sitting at 22 million. The total value locked is 0. People are not using this just yet, and it seems to be a lot of speculation around the price of the token, as we've seen with many other cryptocurrencies. For the lack of activity, along with the poor tokenomics, I'm gonna have to score this a D for Big Data Protocol. Moving on to something a little bit different, Numerare and the Numerai platform allows you to predict the stock market. Yes, it allows you to apply machine learning to predict what's gonna happen in the stock market. They've got a signal section which allows you to submit stock market signals, and you earn rewards off the back of it. They've also got a tournament section which allows you to upload trading algorithms as part of a weekly competition. 113 million in market cap, 200 million in fully diluted market cap, which isn't fantastic, although they've already got $3 million worth of their tokens staked in the platform across 933 models. So there is some activity on there, and for that reason we're going to give them a B, since we love trading so much on this channel and it's got a little bit of potential in there. And now we need to talk about The Graph, one of the leading platforms in the AI data space, and this one is going to go in at a higher score. I'm going to share that with you shortly. Again, it's a data protocol which allows developers and participants to query, index, and collect data. Sounds a little bit fancy, but think of it like the Google of Web3. It allows anybody to publish open APIs, what they call subgraphs, and then developers can pull from that data instead of having to go find it themselves. Currently, there are 758 subgraphs on their marketplace, $1.2 billion in market cap, so it's not coming in cheap. They're fully diluted, is sensible at 1.3 billion, so we know there's not a lot of tokens to be dumped on the market. Solid project, good tokenomics, a little bit expensive, so we're going to put it in at an A. And a bonus one for you guys, and that is one you've definitely heard about. It's Crypto GPT. Yes, they're using the buzzword of being a ZK layer 2 roll-up, and they're calling their product AI to earn. In reality, it's more data to earn. What they're trying to say is you can sell your data to people who need to build data sets to train their AI models. Of course, they're jumping on the hype of the ChatGPT wave. Even in their name, they're sitting at a $24 million market cap, $243 million in fully diluted market cap. That's only 10% of the coins in circulating supply. This is a big no-no for me, and one I'm going to stay away from. These are horrible tokenomics, and for that reason, I'm giving it a big fat F. So there you have it. There is my tier list of AI projects as we see them today. Now, my view, as you probably sensed throughout this video, is it's really early for AI projects. Yes, we've seen pumps going on. Yes, we've seen increases in pricing as the hype comes into the market, surrounded by ChatGPT and all these things going on in Web 2 as well. But from an investment perspective, we need the industry to mature. We need the infrastructure plays to build and grow, and then we need to look to invest in the picks and shovels. And that's going to be my approach. And if I can't find certain projects, I'll probably just invest in a broad category of a handful of, say, 7 to 8 AI projects I like. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes. Don't forget to subscribe as always. Check out this video here, and I'll see you in the next one.